To enter system coding, ensure the boiler control is powered on. At the home screen, press the Mode button, then the up arrow until the word Comfy flashes in the lower right-hand corner of the display. Next, press OK. P0 will be displayed on the boiler control. Press the up arrow till you reach P12 and press OK. You have now entered system coding. Once in coding, press OK on address 1 to now change the value of address 1 from a 0 to a 1. Save with the OK button. Filling and venting function is now active. This process will automatically terminate in 30 minutes.